Introducing the Porsche Cayman 718T. This car currently has no sound whatsoever. There's no functionality, there's no radio, there's no cables, there's no speakers in the car. So it's not going to be very difficult to get this car sounding a lot better. However, client has spec'd up a lovely system to get this car sounding absolutely mega. So I can't wait to showcase the entire journey to you. Let's go. So hopefully you guys are enjoying today's video so far, but now it's time to sit back, relax and enjoy this new system. So what is this system now and what was it before? So it wasn't very difficult to get better than what it was before, because this is the Cayman T, which meant that this car had no radio whatsoever. It was just a blanking plate at the front of the car, no steering wheel controls, no nothing, no music whatsoever, because there's no media unit. But also there was no cable, and there's also no speakers at all in the vehicle. They've just got little blanking plates behind the door cards. They have all the grills there, but literally nothing behind. So what we've done is added in that Alderson Voce three-way front end that you've seen in today's video. So we've got the tweeter OEM location actually underneath the vents up here. Then you've got the Alderson Voce 3-inch mid-range, which sits in OEM location in the door. Then the 6.5-inch mid-bass driver again in the door. These are all done and using our 3D printed adapters. Everything is reversible, and client can take this car back to stock and in essence move this investment over to the next vehicle. So we've also soundproofed the doors. So this being a Cayman T, obviously concerned about weight and things like that as well. This is a really lightweight solution. All the adapters are 3D printed. Obviously they're relatively lightweight as well, but the soundproofing is just done in the doors to get rid of those rattles and resonations that we were getting. But let's have a little listen to the system. The actual functionality wise we've got is via the KENWOOD 8021 unit. We've also loaded up a custom boot up screen for that, and we've also added the reversing camera as a full complete package. So you've got functionality and also you've got the sound now in the vehicle. So let's have a little listen to this. There is no sub in this system. It's something that our client might add later, but still it absolutely rocks in here. We've got the amplifier in the front tub, doesn't take up too much space at all, and it's just very minimalistic in here. It's just OEM look. Drop-in notes just works really nicely. For a system without a sub in it, it still has a nice amount of depth. It will never, system will never play as low as with a sub, but you still have a very nice sound in here. clarity is definitely there. You got a lot of performance for the speakers that you got in here. Nice thing about having a processor in the system is that you've got full control, so we've still been able to do time alignment, and we've still been able to set exactly the filters and frequencies we want, playing to everything.
You tell him he's all you see, tell him you got his keys cause you thought he needed them.
And the top end from that mid bass upwards sounds absolutely lovely in here. Really does work. I mean, the location for products, I mean, the tweeters aren't in an ideal location, but it's always a balance, these things. It's about whatever our client wants, whether they want that full OEM look or the OEM plus look. Everyone's different about what they want on their car, and that's the nice thing about sound. And what we do is you can literally have it exactly how you want your car done, and this is exactly what our client wanted: functionality as well as just an enhancement. Obviously the car came with no sound whatsoever, and now it's got that. It's got a very nice system as well. You can, on these systems, in essence, because you've got no speakers in the car at all, no wiring, you can just have a head unit and we wire in speakers into the vehicle. It does mean that we have to run cables, and at that point then you might be thinking about, like this client, adding that amplification in to give it that nicer system. And actually yesterday we just took another booking for a GT3, which you'll see later on the channel, with exactly the same system. So there's loads of different options available. There's packages on our website for different stuff. However, if you do want something a little bit more unique or tailored towards you, best thing to do, come by, see us, and I'll go through everything, just like this client did, and the GT3 owner that we saw yesterday. He's also selected, and I've kind of listened to a couple of tracks with him in different cars and been able to kind of gauge exactly what he needed to do, and same with this client as well. So thank you once again for watching today's video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed it, and also learned a little bit more about the install on the Porsche Cayman T. It's been a wicked journey on this car. Really enjoyed this system, so thank you very much for watching. I'll see you on the next one.